Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Baby Genie is probably one of the most revolutionary products to hit the parenting market, promising to simplify daily routines and bring a new level of convenience to busy caregivers who are constantly juggling multiple tasks while ensuring their little one's comfort and well-being, making those precious early years a little less stressful and a lot more enjoyable for everyone involved. Number 5. DERMORA Foot Peel Mask. Introducing the DERMORA Foot Peel Mask, your ultimate solution for beautiful feet. This innovative product is designed to gently exfoliate and rejuvenate your skin, bringing a spa experience home. Say goodbye to rough, dry, and cracked feet with this powerful mask. It deeply penetrates to soften and renew, targeting those stubborn areas for visible improvement. Indulge in luxurious at-home spa care without the hefty price tag. This convenient mask allows you to relax while it works its magic, providing professional results from your couch. Experience effortless callus removal and reveal smoother skin underneath. This formula effectively sheds dead skin cells, leaving your feet feeling incredibly soft and revitalized. After just one application, you'll notice a remarkable difference in your skin's texture. It leaves your feet feeling incredibly soft, smooth, and ready to be shown off. What we like? This mask offers an at-home spa experience for your feet. It's designed to effectively remove calluses and exfoliate dry, cracked skin. If you're looking for an easy way to achieve smoother, softer feet without a salon visit, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. Number 4. Frida Baby NoseFrida SnotSucker. Is your little one struggling with stuffy noses? It can be tough to see them uncomfortable and restless. Introducing a simple, effective solution for nasal congestion. It helps clear their airways quickly and safely. This innovative nasal aspirator uses parent-powered suction to clear mucus. It's designed for maximum comfort and efficiency. Each use is protected by a disposable hygiene filter, preventing germ transfer. This ensures a clean and safe experience for both of you. Help your baby breathe easier and sleep better. It provides immediate relief, making them more comfortable. It comes with 24 extra hygiene filters, so you're always prepared. You'll have plenty of replacements on hand for continuous use. Choose this trusted solution for your baby's congestion. It's a must-have for every parent seeking effective relief. What we like? This innovative nasal aspirator provides safe and effective congestion relief for babies. Its unique design includes hygiene filters to prevent germ transfer. If you have a little one struggling with stuffy noses and want a hygienic, parent-powered solution, this tool is a must-have. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as requested. Number 3. Diaper Genie Max Odor Lock Refill Bags 3-pack. These refill bags feature durable, multi-layer film. They are equipped with Max Odor Lock technology to help prevent unpleasant smells from escaping, keeping your nursery fresh. Each continuous pail refill can hold up to 810 newborn-sized diapers. This significantly reduces the need for frequent trips to the trash, making your life easier. The opaque blue film discreetly hides contents, ensuring privacy and convenience during disposal. They are also incredibly easy to install and replace, fitting securely into your Diaper Genie pail. This pack offers better value than individual units, making it an economical choice. It also provides peace of mind by ensuring you always have a supply of refills on hand. Trust in a product from the #1 selling diaper pail brand. Over 2 million Diaper Genie pails have been sold since 2021, a testament to their reliability and popularity. What we like? These refill bags are engineered for ultimate odor control with multi-layer film. Each holds a large number of diapers, reducing frequent changes. If you prioritize a fresh nursery and want a cost-effective, long-lasting solution for diaper disposal, these refills are perfect. What people say. Number 2. Frida Baby Saline Kit Cold and Flu. When your little one is struggling with a cold or flu, this kit provides essential relief. It's designed to help them breathe easier and feel more comfortable. Included is the award-winning NoseFrida nasal aspirator. This gentle yet effective tool helps clear stuffy noses quickly and hygienically. Pair it with the Saline nasal spray to loosen mucus before aspiration. This decongestant spray is safe and effective for delicate baby noses. This comprehensive 12-piece set ensures you have everything needed for multiple uses. It's a complete solution for managing your baby's nasal congestion. For your peace of mind, 10 extra hygiene filters are included. These ensure each use is sanitary and protects you from germs. Designed for parents, this kit is incredibly easy to use and clean. Keeping your baby comfortable has never been simpler. What we like? This comprehensive kit combines a nasal aspirator with a saline spray for effective cold and flu relief. The saline helps loosen mucus, making aspiration easier for your baby. If you're looking for a complete solution to tackle your baby's congestion during cold season, this set has everything you need. What people say. Number 1. Diaper Genie Complete Registry Gift Set. This ultimate diaper trash can effectively control odor while disposing of your baby's dirty diapers. Its foot pedal activated lid offers convenient, hygienic, and back pain-free opening, so you don't have to bend over. Its multi-layer refill bags feature a built-in antimicrobial. This helps lock in odors, prevent germ transmission, and inhibit bacterial growth on the film, protecting both you and your baby. Each continuous refill ring holds up to 270 newborn-sized diapers. This allows you to change the bag as often as you want, meaning fewer trips to the trash can. Replacing the bag is also very easy, with no cutting involved. A carbon filter attracts and eliminates pungent odors. It fits perfectly on the lid to lock in dirty diaper scents once and for all. This is a baby nursery must-have, trusted by over 2 million parents. It makes the perfect gift for any baby shower or registry. What we like? This gift set provides a complete diaper disposal system with a pail, refills, and a carbon filter. It features a foot pedal for hygienic use and advanced odor absorption. If you're setting up a nursery and want a comprehensive, easy-to-use system for managing dirty diapers, this starter kit is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.